Well, he found where this green wire that was causing it not to run goes, and Ken needs to go and get the, something that makes it hook up. And if you were wondering why I was sputtering, it was because there's a loose ground somewhere. And you should be lucky you don't have to smell the exhaust fumes. It smells terrible. Because it's sputtering. I mean, it keeps starting, it keeps, like, misfire. Well, not misfiring, just, like, not firing and then firing again. Ford. Looks three-dimensional. He said that he should give the tractor a rest, come back later, and then I told him that why don't we just do it one more time, and that's when it started, so just gotta keep going, I guess. The battery still has charge. If you watched part 1, when it didn't start because we didn't know about the wires, the battery wasn't charged as much, so it went dead quicker. And this time it was charged longer. It's like 99%. It was like 95% charged this time, and last time it was like 75. And Ken's way over there. And he got a spark, so he knows where the green wire goes, so all he has to do is just get another adapter thingy, whatever, that makes the wire stay. And I'm standing on a lawnmower thing, mega lawnmower. And my lawnmower that I started, it may sound like that for the spring start, it may sound like it doesn't run right, like it kind of backfires when it first starts, and that's not true. It was just like, not sputtering, but just like it was firing, but it was just like losing, it was not firing fast enough to get to speed. It was just kind of like if you run a lawnmower out of gas, like in the last few seconds it runs, it was kind of like that. Except for it was a steady thing. And it sounds a lot better in real life. And enough of me talking, I guess. I'll get back when he gets back, I'll record again, so alright. He's gonna start it now. I screwed in that thingy that he had. Sorry. Well, it was probably like a kitten until the kitten, like, died. Are you warming it up? Oh. Well, it is running a lot better. You saw all the smoke in the last video. Doesn't smell as bad, but it still smells. I think it needs some time to warm up. It smells kind of like my four-wheeler now. Sort of. We'll be back. He's gonna drive it up soon, and I'm gonna get sick. It's like burning my nose. Pretty much warmed up now. I'm gonna get a video of him driving too. That was close. Doesn't like the idle apparently. Man. Sorry I didn't get him turning it over, but it started right up. Started right up that time. Yeah, he's getting blown with the wind from the... Skipping a lot less. Sweet! Broken fender, one side. Great driving! Doesn't that stupid lawnmower go up? I mean, for crying out loud. Let's chase him up the big hill. Don't run me over, buddy. Better not. Which way is he going? Drive! Drive! Yeah, it goes up. Sweet. Finally, we got this thing out! Finally! Running a heck of a lot better than it was. I might have to even make a third video. He needs to get a hammer for something, I don't know. Man. Come on. Sounds like it's running low on gas or something. Who knows? Yeah, I gotta make another video, jeez. What's the hammer for? Oh, PTO thing, yeah. He needs a crowbar, the PTO shaft won't come off. It's already hot. I wonder if there's any coolant in it. I think Ken said that there was, but I don't know. I'll have to ask him. All the oil's burnt off. And the chain